In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Airtable account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly log in using either your email address or your Google account, so you can get straight to working on your bases and projects. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or anything you usually use. In the address bar at the top, type in airtable.com and press enter. This will take you to the Airtable homepage. Give it a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Once the homepage has loaded, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a button or link labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the sign-in page where you can choose how you want to access your account. On the sign-in page, you'll see a field where you can enter your email address. If you originally created your Airtable account using an email and password, type that email address into the box. Make sure you enter it carefully, checking for any typos, and then click the Continue button. Airtable may then ask for your password, or it might send you a sign-in link to your email, depending on how your account is set up. If you're prompted for a password, just type it in and continue. If you receive a sign-in link, open your email inbox in a new tab, click the link from Airtable, and you'll be logged in. If you originally signed up using Google, or if you prefer using your Google account, you can choose that option instead. On the same sign-in page, look for the button that says Continue with Google and click on it. This will open a Google sign-in window or a list of Google accounts that are currently available in your browser. From here, click on the Google account that is associated with your Airtable profile. If you aren't already signed into that Google account, you may be asked to enter your Google email and password, and possibly complete any two-step verification you have enabled. Follow those prompts, and once Google confirms your identity, it will redirect you back to Airtable. After a few seconds, Airtable will load your workspace. You should now see your dashboards, bases, or any recent projects. At this point, you're fully signed in and ready to start organizing